points explained in the previous week. Dear children, our planet is special because of many reasons, and one among them is because of the plants, which are helping us in many ways. We have learned that plants provide us with food and many important products. We learnt about the parts of plants. A plant body is mainly divided into two parts, that is, the shoot system and the root system. Roots are very important for a plant. There are two types of roots, and they are the taproot and the fibrous root. Then we have learned the functions of a root in detail. Soil erosion can be defined as washing away of topsoil by wind or water. The stem is the main part of the shoot. We have learned the classification of plants on the basis of stem, and they are trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. Now we know the functions of a stem. Then children, we have learnt about leaves, the parts of a leaf, functions of a leaf in detail. The next topic was flowers. We learnt about flowering and non-flowering plants with examples. Then the functions and uses of flowers also. Fruits are the fleshy and juicy parts of the plant. Some vegetables like tomato, brinjal are fruits of plants as they have seeds in them. Seeds are found inside the fruits of a plant. Next, the process by which a seed grows into a new plant is called as germination. So, my dear students, now we have revised the important points of our lesson, World of Plants. Hope you all have understood the importance of plants in our lives. So, plant more trees and let's make our planet greener, healthier, and beautiful. So, thank you all.